Yo guys, this is my name.
Yeah, we saw Robbie did.
Very good.
During the workshop, remain seated. Because if you stand up, the show will snap immediately. Was that clear?
Yes. Let's start now. Wow.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the graduation hall. Your journey is almost complete.
But before you leave, there's one last thing worth sharing.
Our planet is in constant motion. It is constantly changing. And more than ever before, it's being changed by us.
At the same time, we know that something is not running the way it should.
Take a look around.
With you, the world is sitting in this room.
You all come from the most different places. And as different as you are, you all voted for the same beliefs and showed that you care. During your journey through the campus, you all voted for sustainability, responsibility.
You all have voted for a world worth living in. That's your dream, my dream.
And still, sometimes we feel powerless. And you're right. It's hard to change the world alone.
But we don't have to. Let's try a little experiment. As we think the same way, we can move the same way.
Look, you're not stuck any longer. Let's move together and inspire the people around us
Huwag kang malikot
to
masira
move
ba?
as well.
Move towards your beliefs to reach a better future.
And it takes you, and each and every one of you, to inspire, to connect, and to keep moving. Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen,
Stempel. Immer. Welche Farbe? Ist egal.
Welche Farbe?
Grün.
Thank you.
Einmal.
Lagi man itong mga baraklis na ito nandito. Hindi ka na.
Porque es espectacular. Aunque sea para que ella pueda ver.